vlog. This is day 3 of Taiwandering.
Taiwandering. We're gonna go get Fanta and then go. I need an SD card and then a power bank for him. And then we might go to a cafe, maybe.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn into this alleyway. You wanna get boba here? It's like in a random alley.
Yeah.
That's where all the good boba is.
Maybe.
On our journey to find this fun ton. What's the place called?
It is called 面足饭饱.
Okay, I don't know half those words. We found it. Getting boba now, because that's what you have to do in Taiwan. It's so hot. We're eating our breakfast. We're gonna try to find some what'd you call it? Technical stuff here. Tech stuff here. We're going to the toys and games section right now after we got our stuff. Games. Arcade games. Look. I know, right? Whoa. What is this? Whoa. Oh, I want to play one of these. Ooh, I want to get one. Let's see. Oh, this one's cute.
This one's good.
I want this one. Yeah.
Well, yeah, which one do you want?
I don't
It's
know.
gotta be close to the center.
Which one is?
Which one is real?
Which one's
realistic?
easy?
That white one. That one's
They all look
possible.
cute.
That brown one. No, you might hit the edge.
Strategizing.
What about that thingy thing?
Which one? The bird?
Or
Eh.
the white one
Sure.
is possible unless this tag is like on something.
Try it.
Which one do
Wait,
you want
what?
to get?
It's 150? No. It costs 150.
What?
No, I mean like
That's $5.
each one is $5, but if you it's 10. So if you try 15 times,
And they'll just give you for free.
no, I don't know about that. All right. Which one are you getting? Which one are you aiming for?
Okay, keep coming. Okay, you're good.
Are you getting the
Yeah, drop it.
drop it?
Wait, no.
Oh, so close. All right, try number 2. We're trying for that white one.
And this way a little bit. A little bit more. Alright, drop it.
Oh no, it's gonna drop. Oh, so
It's
close.
a little bit closer.
Yeah,
I
it
don't
is
think
closer.
You think it's gonna make it? Possibly.
Try number 3. Or the white one is a little bit closer. Can we just?
Okay, do it.
Oh, so close.
Close. Dude, it's going.
Really? It's going
this
further?
way. That's worse. Maybe we should just do the brown one. Ready? Yeah.
Okay, change of plans. We're not getting a white one. We're gonna get the brown one now.
Okay, a little bit closer to the wall. No, that's as far as we go. Drop it. Here? Yeah. A little bit more actually. Okay, drop it.
Oh no, I don't think I can get it.
Oh,
I didn't know it would open like that. Mobby.
No,
It also
bad.
rotates.
Giving up. Are we giving up?
These games are the worst.
He gave up.
Gave up. We're going on a tour to Jiu Fen.
风化石 without a uniform rock formation. Due to the erosion of such a long time, 2 million years, then this kind of special. There's a village of the factory. The factory been shut down 30 years ago. Ever since the coal finished, no more cheaper fuel, so they shut down the factory. 所以这个是一边的金块跟煤矿，所以在中间都弄了一个工厂，海洋工厂。关很久了，变成奇特的景观。
Nanya.
Okay.
We're near the ocean. Uncle Larry has a umbrella to help us see if we find him.
Oh, I think you're
You see it? Right here. He's our personal tour guide. You see? Ooh, there's so much food.
I know.
Tastes like dessert.
I wonder if it's better. Yesterday's
I don't know.
recommended for
Oh, that's cute.
These are really cute. I think I want some. I'm gonna
There's a
show Josh.
ton of,
Josh.
I don't know where they went.
Joshua. Oh, Joshua.
Ooh, more food and samples.
Oh, is it good?
Ooh. I don't know, what is there?
Oh, it's good.
This is very cool.
Jiu Fen.
Wow.
Jiu Fen here.
Oh, this is our tea house.
Oh.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Inspiration.
What kind of tea house? What's it called?
One that inspired the Grand Tea House in Miyazaki, Spirited Away.
Energy, Josh. Energy.
Where's Jason? It's time to vlog.
Vlogging time.
Come closer. You just have to answer my question.
Okay.
Vlog part 7.
It's part 3 actually.
Part 3.
Where are we going next? We finished going to Jiu Fen. Where are we going next?
Today we're going to eat a hot pot for dinner, I think.
Where?
I have no idea.
Danshui.
I knew you would know. We're at Danshui. We're gonna go find, oh, right there, the hot pot place. Jiu Tao Stone Hot Pot. Right there. Special flavor hot pot. however, it's whatever proportions you want. Oh, and then it says soy sauce next. Then radish. That one.
This looks like slush.
Then green onions. And cilantro. Where's cilantro? No cilantro, too bad.
How am I supposed to make a handmade barbecue sauce?
Yang
Yeah. He's just gonna.
It's gonna help us. It's gonna help us fry this. I've never had this kind of service.
I know. I'm totally fine with. This is awesome.
For the flavoring? That's smart. We got our seafood thing. Boat of seafood. What is this? Dang. Alright. They give out free coffee and ice cream. We're gonna walk around a little bit more because we're so full now.